Do you want to know the reasons your content isn't getting any views? Simple. Here's why people aren't viewing your online content. If you're investing in content, creating blogs, videos, and social media posts for your business, you can still end up with no audience. When no one seems to care about your content, what do? It's important to make sure that you don't take the lack of action that you see as an indication that content marketing doesn't work. It can simply mean that there's something about your content that you're overlooking. 1 in 5 business owners see content marketing as the most significant marketing influence that they know of after all. To make sure that you market your business properly with content, you need to find out where you make mistakes, get focused content, and start attracting visitors. Here are some of the mistakes that you could be making. You're moving ahead with no strategy. Many marketers will post whatever comes to their mind and follow no particular routine. Only 1 in 3 marketers follows any documented strategy for their content. If there's no strategic thinking in the way you post content, your audiences probably see this and choose to ignore it. The answer is to create a content marketing strategy with goals. If your content isn't engaging or providing value to your audience, they won't stick around for long. This can lead to high bounce rates and low engagement, which will hurt your search engine rankings and overall content performance. To make your content more interesting and engaging, focus on telling stories, using visuals and multimedia, and providing actionable takeaways that readers can use. Make sure your content is well written and structured, with clear headings and subheadings. If your content isn't resonating with your target audience, it may be because you haven't done enough research to understand their needs and pain points. Take the time to create buyer personas and understand the needs and interests of your target audience. Use this information to craft content that speaks directly to their needs and provides value to them. Make sure your content is relevant and useful and addresses their pain points in a way that is easy to understand and act upon. Finally, it's important to remember that content marketing is just one piece of the puzzle. To truly drive the results you want, you need to create content that addresses the full marketing funnel. This means creating content that attracts new readers, converts those readers into prospects, and nurtures those prospects along the buying journey. Use different types of content at each stage of the funnel, from blog posts and social media updates to ebooks and webinars. If you're struggling with any of these content marketing challenges, don't worry. There are plenty of ways to improve your content strategy and start driving the results you want.